guys? Today we're on an H2. Let's have some fun. Sound like something was winding up, like really high pitch. I don't know what it was. What's going on? Yeah, how's life? How's life, guys? Chilling. I'm just living life, going through the adversity, you know, trouble and tribulations, hardships, all that good stuff. And this is one of the ways that I cope with all my stress. I'll go out and write really fast. It seems to just dilute all the pain away. I got a special treat for you guys right now. Check it out. Oh. The whole front of the bike is lift up. I'm trying to contain it down. Man, this bike is a beast. I have to respect the bike, you know. Woo. I don't want to get too loosey-goosey and, you know, make a mistake. You know, you guys, when you're riding, you know, be careful. Be cautious. Look out for other drivers and just be safe, you know, because your life is more important than anything that exists outside of you. So, you know, your life is more precious than having too much fun. I'm gonna do it again. Here we go. Okay. Let's turn back around, do it one more time. Okay, that was a good one. Turn it back around. Maybe I'll do a second gear. I think first gear is like too much torque. Do second gear. Here we go. Yeah, this little stretch, I need more space, you know. This little stretch, I don't want to go too fast and like not be able to stop, you know. Here we go, do first gear. I'm just easing in the throttle. Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing pulls so smooth. Oh my god. One more time. But this time I gotta max out third gear, guys, cause like, oh, this car is coming. Man, it makes that third gear. I just like, maybe I'll max out. Can't get to fourth gear. We don't have enough blacktop. Okay, here we go, second gear. Okay, last one. I gotta make this one a good one. I get scared when I approach the red light because I feel like I don't have enough room. Okay, one more time. First gear. Let's get it. I know it's only 120, but in these little streets, it feels crazy. And there's like a turn right here, so I don't want to go any faster than that. Yeah, that's fast enough. One more time. I'll do it one more time. Alright, last one. Bike is so fast. It's like scary fast. I know I can make it faster, so let's make this thing a little bit faster, and then we can Alright, so we're just gonna head back home now, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay well, stay healthy, stay inspired. See you guys in the next video.